Welcome to Rephrase Studio, the innovative text-to-video generation platform that brings your ideas to life with a digital avatar. With Rephrase Studio, you can effortlessly create professional-looking videos in no time. Choose from our diverse range of stock avatars to represent your message. And with our easy text-to-voice conversion, your avatar can speak your words with natural-sounding voices. Rephrase Studio goes beyond language barriers. Our platform supports multiple languages, allowing you to communicate your message globally. No need to start from scratch. Rephrase Studio provides a collection of pre-uploaded video templates to give your videos a professional look. Take your videos to the next level with custom landing pages. Rephrase Studio allows you to create personalized landing pages to showcase your videos and engage your audience. At Rephrase Studio, we believe in providing exceptional customer support. At Rephrase Studio, we believe in providing exceptional customer support. Our dedicated team is always ready to assist you with any questions or issues you may encounter. Monetize your avatar and turn your videos into revenue streams. Rephrase Studio gives you the opportunity to earn from your creative content. Rephrase Studio empowers you to create captivating videos with ease. Rephrase Studio. Unleash your creativity with a digital avatar. Try Rephrase Studio today and experience the power of text-to-video creation. Welcome to Rephrase Studio, the innovative text-to-video generation platform that brings